Do you ever go to the mailbox and go, oh my gosh, Santa Claus came and look what he brought me? Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John. I hope that you've had an amazing week so far because mine just got much better. So it couldn't be more exciting, right? To go to the mailbox, find a box that says your new pink door box is here. But better yet, they know what excitement this creates because it says opening this may cause extreme joy. Not just joy, but extreme joy. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm kind of a fabric collector at times. I don't hoard fabric. I rescue fabric is the right terminology. And Pink Door is one of my go-to places. I am not sponsored by Pink Door. I pay every penny for this box and what's in here. I don't necessarily endorse Pink Door, right? Because again, I'm not even an affiliate with them, but they just happen to be my go-to for certain fabrics and certain boxes, and it's that time of year. So let's jump in and see what great things Pink Door has supplied me with this year. All right, sorry for the noise because I did not even pre-cut this. Sometimes I at least manage that, but I didn't even do that this time because I was trying to really be good and get in here and hit the record button so we could open this up and say, woohoo, guys, look how adorable. This is amazing. So first thing is a note from Pink Door that says, what's inside your Pink Door box Floral Reef Edition? So in case you missed it, been asleep and not realized what's going on in the quilting world, Tula Pink has a new collection out and it is called Floral Reef. It says, thank you for joining us for the Pink Door box. We're excited to bring you an ocean of creativity inspired by Tula Pink's vibrant floral collection. This box is packed with exclusive tools, custom pieces, and coordinating notions to spark inspiration and bring your projects to life. We can't wait to see what you create. Be sure to share your unboxing and make sure you're using Pink Door's box surprise so we can all follow along. All right, so what is in the box? All right, so let's go through here. So, sorry, let's make sure John has a garbage can available for some of the confetti is what we're going to call that, not packing stuff. All right, so Set Sail, Jaybird Quilts. So this is looks like a half square triangle pattern, and it is called Set Sail. Maybe I'll pull out just a little bit so you can see it better. Right, Set Sail is the name of the pattern. It does come with baby, lap, twin, and queen sizes. The lap quilt is what is shown on the color, and it is 61 by 75. The twin jumps up to 69 by 79, and it does suggest a super sidekick ruler by Jaybirds. So maybe they included that. We will see. So one pattern in there already. The next is Filigree by Sarah Lawson, and it is double zip pouches. So sweetness. So more pouches. So now that I've done a Hemingway pouch and I've done zippers, maybe John will get into this. Three sizes of patterns in here, small, medium, large. Finishes 8 by 5.5 by 3.5. Medium is 10.5 by 8 by 3.5. And the large is 12 by 8.5 by 3.5. So pretty cool. So we'll see what happens there. It says, Filigree pattern by So Sweetness is a structured bag pattern featuring intricate piecing. Set Sail by Jaybirds is a dynamic quilt pattern with bold movement and modern design. And let's see what else is in here. Notions this time. We got a set of snips Those are pretty cute snips. What does it say? Custom anchor scissors, a collectible set of precision scissors in one of 5 coordinating floral reef colors. And what else? Come on, guys, let's just keep digging in. It's nice when it just keeps coming and coming and coming. Oh, Pink Door Fabrics. Oh, this is too cute. A custom Octopus enamel pin, a whimsical collectible to add personality to your project bag, lanyard, or pin collection. So I do have a pin collection going. I have not done a good job with my pins, but I absolutely love this one. So this one is completely different. I do have one from our from AQS, the American Quilt Society. I have one from the Burnett Club. So I do have a few that I have collected, but I have not done anything with those, but who knows? Time will tell. All right, so let's jump in. I got the entire collection of Tula Pink Floral Reef. Guys, look at this. I did buy the half-yard cuts because I never know what I want to do with this, and I've been looking at some AccuQuilt patterns. So my guess is this will end up in the AccuQuilt cutter back there. Yeah, I just realized I've never named that cutter, so maybe that cutter should get a name, but we'll do that later. But I am really, really, really excited to dig in to these fabrics. I think they are absolutely gorgeous because it's Tula Pink, right? So I just love Tula. And I'm hoping one day she watches my channel and goes, you know, he's such a great guy. I just need to call him. He would make such a good friend for me. So I don't even need her to send me freebies. Just give me 5 minutes of conversation would be great. But look at this floral reef. And of course, I love the purples anyways, right? Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. How awesome is that? Not so much. Yep, that's true Tula, right? Oh, look at these colors. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. The seashells, right? Oh my gosh, under the sea. Wow, guys, this is Tula's Tula, right? And if you like bold prints in that, look at the fish. If you like bold prints, which I do, you know, it's got to be Tula. If it's got to be fabric, it's got to be Tula, right? Oh my gosh. Maybe one day I'll get me a wholesale account with Tula. That would be amazing. Because Lord knows I'm going to have to keep working forever in order to pay for Tula. And yes, Joydy, this is going in the Tula drawer, unfortunately. But we will be showing that drawer off very soon. Wow, guys, look at all these colors. All right, let's switch around this way. So we are running out. There's 23 half-yard cuts in here. So look at this one. Man, I mean, just look at the boldness of the print of these colors. And it feels so nice. Wow. All right, so I am super, super psyched to figure out what to do with that. And then it came with the coordinating fabrics that go with that collection as well. So it's got the coordinating solids that are part of that. And again, I mean, just look, I mean, those are just deep, rich colors. I hope they're coming through on the screen as well as they are here on site. Also because, right, we've got the zipper tab, right? It did give us some of the Tula matching zippers in that to go with that. And we've got the ribbons. So I have now got some of the ribbon webbing and labels. So these are Renaissance ribbons that coordinate and go with this collection. And I am starting my own collection of those. Oh, what else did I get? Oh, look how adorable. We're going to the beach and now I have Tula Pink playing cards. It says, deal yourself a little luxury with these custom playing cards designed to perfectly complement the Floral Reef Pink Door box. It's ready to go with a whole set of collectibles. So I haven't played cards forever, but maybe I'll have to start now with these. Oh, wow. Interesting. So the cards themselves have some, each card have some really cool, unique designs on them. So that was a cute gift. So see, and if you don't buy the box, you don't get all the little extras. And yes, I paid for the extras. I understand they're not gifts, but I consider them gifts. And since it's my box, I can consider it however I want. All right, there's still a couple of more things in here, guys. Let's see what else. Oh, the webbing. So the Tula Pink webbing that goes with this collection. And Pink Door Fabrics Tula Pink's Floral Reef swatch deck. So I've never seen a swatch deck. It says, where's that at? I don't see where they're talking about. A custom zippers, binding spool, collectible bonus. I don't see them describing this. So I will definitely get this opened and take a look in here. It comes with that. So I'm assuming, I have to use the scissors to open this one. Guys, I didn't even get my hair all put together for this recording because I was too excited to sit down and get this done. Oh my gosh, it's got an outer wrapper to an inner wrapper. Are you kidding me? Come on, guys. John's got to see what this swatch deck is all about. Tula Pink's swatch deck. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, man. Now, that just makes me want every swatch deck that's out there. I don't remember ever seeing the swatch decks, but look at all. So the swatch deck is a sample of all the different collection, fabrics in this collection. Oh, man. Now I need that for all the other ones. I don't know how long she's been doing this. I don't remember ever seeing this before, and I don't remember seeing it on other channels. So I don't know if these are completely new and they've started with this collection or how long they've been out. All right, and we will figure out later how to put that ring on. What else did John get? Oh, John got a Tula Pink Fabrics Notion. Look at the fish. How adorable is the fish? So this one is, I got the wet webbing, custom labors. Oh, it's a binding spool. So look how cool that is. Man. Yeah, this is how Pink Door keeps suckering me in, and it's okay. I'm like a kid at Christmas, so it's 7 months till Christmas, and yet John got some really, really cool gifts. So Renaissance labels, and that's it. So guys, I am super excited. So I got custom anchor scissors, playing cards, an enamel pin, the fabric bundle, the coordinating solids, the ribbons, the webbing, the custom labels, custom zippers, the fish binding tool, 2 free patterns. So this is a pretty amazing box. I don't know if you all have looked at Pink Door in the past. This box was $300 and it did, but that is a half yard cut. So that's 23 half yard cuts. So I am super psyched. Now all I have to do is figure out which pattern I want to cut this with and what I want to do. I do wish they had given us the Super Sidekick ruler by Jaybirds for this pattern. So it does suggest that. So I'll have to look in my drawer. I may actually already have it because I have a drawer full of these, but I'm not sure if I have that one. So that is the new Floral Reef Pink Door box unboxing on Guys Craft 2. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. If you're a channel member, thank you so much for supporting the channel. It helps me buy boxes like this and do more of these videos. But I appreciate you giving me your time this morning. I hope you're as excited about seeing what this collection can bring to life for us and what cool projects we will be able to do with this new fabric. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.